In this short demo, you'll experience how teams can simply talk to Commvault Cloud to initiate, manage, and verify resilience activities without the technical hurdles. Let's start by using a customer's Gen AI tool of choice, like Claude. Here, we can see that Claude has web search enabled, along with integrations to Commvault and ServiceNow. These capabilities are configured by administrators through Model Context or MCP servers. The MCP integration enables Claude to understand what each connected system can do while giving administrators control over access. This supports compliance and data security at every step. Imagine I'm the owner of DocuSign for our company. Let's ask Claude to back up our DocuSign documents. Claude analyzes the request and quickly confirms that DocuSign isn't currently protected. It then provides several tailored options for enabling protection, so I'll choose a 7-day retention period, giving me the ability to quickly recover any documents that might be accidentally deleted. I'll also specify the S3 endpoint. Claude now begins setting up the endpoint and presents options for how I'd like to start protecting my DocuSign data. It asks, would you like to start a backup immediately, or would you prefer to schedule backups? In this case, I want both. I tell Claude to start a backup now and schedule a weekly backup. Claude then asks when I'd like to schedule the backup to run. Let's say Sundays at 6 p.m. Almost instantly, Claude responds, your backup job is running now, and a recurring job has been scheduled for Sundays at 6 p.m. I wonder how the current job is progressing. Normally, I check with my backup administrators, but instead, let's just ask Claude. Claude reports back that the job has already completed successfully, along with the details about the job status and upcoming schedules. Now, let's make sure the right files were actually protected. Claude confirms that my DocuSign file is indeed backed up successfully. Now let's go a step further. Let's restore this file to confirm the process works end to end. Claude provides the restore status, tells me where the file will be placed, and even gives me the option to monitor progress. Now let's shift perspectives. Normally, when I come to the office, I'd log into multiple systems to check health and SLA compliance information. But instead of digging through dashboards, what if I could just ask Claude to summarize everything for me? Claude quickly returns a summary of last night's backups and, it looks like our SLA compliance doesn't look great. We'll need to investigate. Rather than combing through logs manually, I'll ask Claude to show me which jobs are having issues. It looks like 4 index server jobs failed. Let's find out why. Claude performs a root cause analysis across those jobs and explains that the failures were due to too many concurrent jobs, leaving 4 stuck in a waiting state. Good to know. I'll need a list of those failed jobs so we can address them right away. Normally, I'd log into ServiceNow portal or send an email to the help desk, but since I'm already here, I'll have Claude create the tickets directly in ServiceNow. We can even watch in real time as Claude generates and tracks those tickets, keeping everything connected from issue detection to resolution in one unified AI-enabled workflow. This streamlines my troubleshooting and ticketing, accelerates problem resolution, and frees up my time for higher value tasks. Simple operations, faster response times, and greater confidence in cyber resilience, all made possible by Commvault Cloud's MCP capabilities.